All right, guys. So it looks like Bitcoin just hit its all-time high, unless I'm like seeing things. Got a little rejection off that, back down to 67.8. Now we're back up to 68.2. But I think we can safely say Bitcoin has hit its all-time high. But the real reason I'm excited today is Theta. Theta, whatever you want to call it. Over $3 for Theta. That's fine to hear. $3.02 for Theta, up 29% over the last 24 hours. What have we been saying on this channel? You gotta be stocking up on Theta. They're involved with AI. They're involved with gaming, decentralized video. They're gonna absolutely kill it. Theta, one of the top gainers in the top 50, especially if you don't count some of these meme coins. So very good day, guys. Bitcoin all-time high. Theta freaking higher than it's been over the last 2 years. Things are looking awesome. Here's an article. Theta network surges 30%. Can Theta token display a 2x run this month? I think at the rate Theta is going right now, we're going to be at like $5 by the end of the month. I mean, you guys know I'm usually pretty conservative with price predictions, but Theta, I've seen it. I've witnessed it. I've lived Theta. When it starts running, it just doesn't stop. Unless, of course, we get some major Bitcoin dump back down to 60. The Bitcoin price has displayed a magnificent price action over the past weeks by adding approximately 17.5% over the last 7 days. Following this, top altcoins have recorded massive price jumps. The Theta price traded in a closed range between 0.93 and 1.13 for a brief period, indicating a disinterest in investors. That's when you should have been buying. As the market volatility grew, the bull signs momentum and successfully broke out of the range, where the price displayed a neutral trend for the next 8 days. After multiple failed attempts to break out of the resistance level, the bulls recorded a jump of over 62% within hours, highlighting a bullish reversal of the crypto space. Following this, the Theta token faced rejection at the resistance level of $2.26, after which the price traded sideways. That's where we've been for the last, last couple of days. And of course, just last night, here we are back over $3. Will Theta token hit $5 soon? Yes, it will, guys. It will. If the market holds the price above the support level of $3, the bulls will regain momentum and prepare to test its resistance level to the 3.388 level. Maintaining that price at that level will set the stage for the Theta token to attempt to test the upper resistance level of 3.80 by this weekend. By the weekend? So we could be almost at $4 by the weekend. Man, I might have to take some profits. I probably won't, but I love these freaking bull markets. Things are freaking feeling great. I mean, Theta was just at like 75 cents 3 weeks ago. Now we're pushing over $3. And this article is talking about a $4 Theta by the weekend. Conversely, if the bears overpower the bulls, the price would lose momentum and fall to the $2 level. Yeah, and that wouldn't surprise me either. Like, I'm fine with either. If Theta wants to go back down to $2 and chill out for a little bit, I'm fine with that too. Because it doesn't matter. Because all I know is by the end of the summer, Theta is going to be $15 to $25. But as you guys know, Theta is extremely volatile, so it is what it is. You have to be prepared. But one of the reasons Theta is pumping right now is because of this whole Theta Edge node, or coming soon, the pilot release of the Edge Cloud for mobile, unleashing AI computing on 3.9 billion Android devices. So apparently I think this is what the big pumpers, I don't even understand what this is. Edge Cloud for mobile, 3.9. The Edge Cloud and the 10,000 active Edge nodes around the world are the backbone that allows Theta to deliver fast, cost-effective compute work for AI and video applications. Hello, did somebody say AI? What have I been telling you guys? You want to be in projects that are involved with AI. Theta is involved with AI, and they're also involved with gaming. That's why Theta is going to be a top performer this bull market. All right. AI and video applications over decentralized network. As the Theta engineering team continues its core development of Edge Cloud for its first release on May 1st. So this isn't even coming out till May 1st. So we could see a run up for another 2 freaking months on Theta. We could be at $10 by May 1st, guys. Like, come on. I mean, this is awesome. The goal of this initial pilot is to test the feasibility of leveraging up to 3.9 billion active Google Android devices. for certain types of AI computing workloads. Android today accounts for 70% of the mobile operating system shares, account for 190 countries, and provides an ideal platform to evaluate mobile CPU, GPU capabilities. So it looks like Theta is involved with these mobile phones, involved with Samsung like they were a couple years ago. Now they're involved with Google. They're involved with Android. Man, Theta is dipping its little toes into everything. They're involved with everything. I mean, that's awesome. This also sets the opportunity to target over 150 million active Android TVs globally that run the Android TV operating system from Sony, Sharp, Philips, and many more. God, you're going to see Theta and Theta software on everything in the next couple years. Samsung phones had the Theta wallet. All the Android phones are probably going to be able to use Theta. People are going to be trading Theta on Android phones. Most likely, you're gonna actually be able to like access the blockchain, do T-Fuel and Theta. It might even come with these phones, or it might even come downloaded on an app. This is incredible stuff. With the average daily consumption of television is around 3 hours a day, this leaves the devices available the majority of the time for other types of computing and data sharing, especially as these always connected smart TVs increase CPU and GPU capabilities over the next decade. Essentially, Theta taking what it was doing with decentralized video, sharing that bandwidth on everybody's computer. Hey, why not do that on smartphones too? Genius idea. Man, Theta, I'm more bullish on Theta than ever. While intensive computer work is generally not feasible on mobile devices, today that is changing quickly. For example, TensorFlow Lite now enables on-device machine learning by allowing developers to run their trained models on mobile, embedded, and IoT devices and computers. It supports platforms such as Linux, Android, iOS, and MLU. And the way computers are right now, the way phones are right now, it's not like it was 10 years ago. Phones now are basically mini computers. Like my iPhone is essentially just as powerful as my laptop. So there's no reason why a phone can't pretty much do what your computer's doing. I mean, some of these phones have graphics processors in them. They're playing all sorts of crazy games on them. Today's devices can already run certain types of jobs on the Theta Edge node, making the 3.9 billion Android devices worldwide a massive potential addition to Theta Edge Cloud. In the future, with the ability to serve AI LLM interface and text-to-image, among other use cases, mobile devices running edge nodes can serve as an AI-marked value at $200 billion today and projected to be worth more than $1 trillion by 2028. I mean, this article just goes on, but Theta is a freaking beast. It's a beast. The only thing that Theta needs to accomplish next is get on Coinbase, and once they do that, I mean, I was talking about a $15, $25 Theta. Maybe Theta will go to $50. I talked yesterday on my live stream about Michelle White Dove. She was seen in the future. This was two cycles ago that Theta was going to be worth $1,000. Could Theta be worth $1,000? It might. I think $100 Theta is a given. I might actually have to reevaluate when I'm going to sell my Theta. I think I might sell half of my Theta at all-time highs, and then I might just hold the rest. I may just hold the rest until I really feel like we're at a tippity top, because Theta, look how fast it's pumped over the last couple of days. Why can't we be at a $50 Theta, by the end of the summer? Anyway, guys, there's a lot of good stuff going on right now with Theta. Theta Network revolutionizing video streaming, which is kind of what they started doing. The problem with traditional video streaming platforms, as we pretty much know, the high bandwidth costs. I think YouTube spends like $1 billion a year just on bandwidth. Of course, with Theta, you basically share the bandwidth on everybody's computer, so it kind of spreads it out. You don't have that cost. It's decentralized. It's freaking awesome. So, guys, everything looking amazing. Bitcoin at all-time highs. Where are we right now? 67,966. We got that little rejection off the all-time high, it looks like, but we can't complain on that. Cardano's looking great. Theta's looking great. I thought I had a Cardano article. Cardano eyes potential parabolic surge towards $10 if this pattern validates. And that is probably at this point where Cardano is going to hit its tippity top at $10. Of course, I would probably have sold most of my Cardano by then. As Cardano gains momentum, investors are eyeing the potential for significant price movement. Crypto analyst Ally highlighted that Cardano seems to be mirroring its previous bullish cycle. We talked about this before, how Cardano is doing exactly what it did last bull market. And if everything basically plays out like it did, which it already is, you're probably going to see a $10 Cardano. I'm more so shooting for a 3 to 5, and if we get higher than that, that's great. But $10, the way things are going right now, and the bullishness that we're seeing before the halving, yeah, $10 is certainly possible. All right, guys, things are awesome. I might do a live stream later. I got to work a little bit this afternoon, but I wanted to make a Theta video because Theta is doing exactly what we predicted. I think this time last year we were talking about buying Theta at 60 cents, talking about how great it's going to be. Fucking $3 Theta. We were just at $2 fucking 2 days ago. Now we're over 3. That's a dollar pump in a day or two. Can't beat that, guys. You can't beat that. Like and subscribe. Thank you for the new subscribers. Talk to you later.